Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at Butlins Bognor Regis staying in the Wave Hotel, and I'm going to give you a quick tour so that you can see what it looks like if you're planning to stay here. The Wave is one of 3 hotels at the resort and it has its own entrance. The hotel is a few minutes walk away from the skyline and all the main facilities. The hotel doesn't have a reception. You collect your keys at the gate when you arrive and customer services is available by telephone. There is dedicated parking for Wave guests at the front and the rear of the hotel. There are 4 lifts and each one has a different ocean theme. The even numbered rooms on the left overlook the car park and the odd numbered rooms on the right overlook the resort. Some of the rooms have a sea view. We have an Octopus Room on the 2nd floor. They provide a telephone and hairdryer. We have a tea tray in the wardrobe with a few teas and coffees and a small fridge. There were plenty of hangers in the wardrobe, a safe and an ironing board. There's a full-length mirror in the hallway corridor. You have to put your room key in the socket to get power to the room, and it must be the hotel room key. You can't use a substitute card. I really like the nautical theming in this hotel. Even the bedroom door has a porthole. This is the twin room with generous sized solid bunk beds. Both beds have a pale blue nightlight and each one has a TV at the end of the bed. Towels are provided in the bathroom and you get a small kit with antibacterial wipes, wash gel and soap. This hotel doesn't have its own restaurant, but if you've purchased a dining package you'll be likely eating in the Coast restaurant nearby. And here's a quick look at breakfast.
hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.